of a dancer, pretty as the morning sun. Her days were filled with laughter, and when 16 years had come, love is all that we have. It is forever. Love is all that we need to be together. Love is all that this world has to share. Only love can take us there. They found her clothes by the river,